if you are starting to hire some early key employees, and especially if those employees are going to be granted equity options as part of their compensation package, which is very, very common. At that point, you've got to make sure that you've got some formality around your option pool and how that is going to work. It's also a great time for the co-founders to get together and talk about what that's going to mean for their equity down the line as they start granting these options. And then the third big thing is if you've got a product and you start selling to an enterprise level client. So, if I'm selling something to, another really small company, not quite as important. But if I start selling to a large enterprise style client, you want to make sure that formality is there. In that case, it's much more of your contracting process, and your internal controls are going to be a lot more important. But those three things, investment, key employees especially with equity options, and when you sign your first big enterprise client, those things tell you it's time to get a little more formal with how you're operating.